Hello everyone and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk and this is tip number 309, Production Sites versus Environments. In our last tip, we discussed how the type of Dataverse environment that your Power Pages site lives in determines when the site code is updated. In this tip, I'm going to look at the distinction between environment type and site type. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. A Power Pages site lives within a Dataverse environment. Something that often causes confusion is when the application type of the site doesn't match the type of the environment. A Dataverse environment can be one of a few different types. Options include the default environment, trial environments, developer environments, and environments for teams. But in this tip, we'll deal with the two most common types, sandbox and production. You typically designate an environment as sandbox for any pre-production work, such as development and testing. The confusing part comes from the fact that when it comes to Power Pages sites, there is no equivalent to sandbox. A Power Pages site most commonly has one of two application types, either trial or production. A trial site in a trial environment will expire after 30 days, or sooner if the environment itself expires. In a sandbox or production environment, a trial site expires after 90 days. If you want to keep it, you must convert it to production, even if the site lives in a sandbox Dataverse environment. The important thing to know about converting to production is that production websites consume licenses. This is true regardless of the environment type, so you need to make sure that you have adequate licenses for your production sites in sandbox environments. So don't worry if you have a production Power Pages site in a non-production Dataverse environment. It just means that the site isn't going to disappear like a trial would. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 309 on production sites versus environments useful.